These replacement dust bags can keep your vacuum running at peak cleaning because they will capture 99.97% of all dust that gets put inside these bags. And in my opinion, 99.97 is as close to 100% as you can get for this type of product. Here's a list of compatible vacuums that will accept this bag. The bag is made out of multiple layers and it is non-woven fabric. That is how it can capture 99.97% of all dust that enters. I don't have a product that this can be installed into, but installation is very easy. When a product is easy, I tend to go for those types of products because I like things being easy. I like to stock up on this type of item. That way I'll always be ready when the bag needs to be replaced.